Okay. This T-post right in front that you're looking at, and the fence line that goes along the property, this side, that's the house up there on the hill, this way, is part of the land. From this fence post, the fence cuts out a little section, but that barn and property, falling down house, is on the very back corner of it. And that fence line along the back separates the properties. This little chunk up front is not part of it. That building back there and the rolling hills up to the ridge line over to the house is part of it.